Hi guys, I'm Chen. So this is the comparison between Tartarus and Nostromo. So this is the remake video for the first one I made. Sorry guys for the video I made those so fast. So I was like eager to upload something. So this is the second video. So I'm gonna with the lighting because the people want it. So at first you can see the lights, they're blue and green. The thing about Tartarus is you can follow like this. You just go to Synapse, go to lighting, and put it on brightness so it won't not breathe or pulsate. So it's just like that. So the second is the 15th button. See, on the 14th button of the Nostromo is a scroll button. So you can put macros up, down, and enter. While in Tartarus it's a button. And the next thing is the Alt button here. Look, it's different. Unlike Nostromo, it's circular. See? And it's kind of hard and like, yeah. The next thing is this one. Look, as you can see, it's a circular shape. Unlike Nostromo has this analog, and you can detach this. It would be an arrow keys. See, as you can see, you can detach it, put it back. It's like this. So the next thing is the space button here. Look at the Nostromo space button. Is this one. Next thing is how you can move this if you have a larger hand. So you have to detach this, put it on the second button here, there, for larger hands. While in Tartarus you just go here, press this button, retract here and there. There you go. The next thing is how you feel the buttons. This is how you'll feel Tartarus. As for gamers, or like if you're playing Counter-Strike, it would be like this. Unlike Nostromo, it's like you sound like this. Sounds like this. They differ in shape and from weight. They also both have synapse. They are most like the same, but they only differ from keys, lighting, this one, space, and this. But most of all, they like look. I mean, they are the same, but new one, old, new, old. So for I'll give for the size. I would go for Tartarus, which is good, and for the style, I'll go for Nostromo. Looks better, see, than Tartarus. Probably if it's an orb weaver, I would go for orb weaver, but it's not orb weaver. And buttons, go for here. Lightings here. Oh, by the way, I forgot something. Tartarus is, Nostromo is, you can turn off the switch here. There. You can also turn off the switch in the synapse. It's like this. And overall, I would go for Tartarus because of the buttons and the lighting. Peace out, guys. Blah, blah.